Have you ever wondered why the spiral pattern of a seashell seems so perfect, or why the arrangement of leaves on a stem appears in a particular order? The answer might surprise you, as it has to do with a mathematical pattern known as the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. It starts with 0 and 1, and goes like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. This intriguing sequence was introduced to the Western world by an Italian mathematician named Leonardo Fibonacci in his book Liber Abaci in the year 1202. The fascinating thing about the Fibonacci sequence is its prevalence in nature. One of the most well-known examples is the spiral pattern of a nautilus shell. As the nautilus grows, it adds new chambers to the end of the previous chamber, creating a spiral that follows the Fibonacci sequence. This pattern isn't exclusive to seashells, though. It can also be observed in sunflowers, pine cones, and even the branches of trees. The number of petals on a flower often follows the Fibonacci sequence, as does the arrangement of leaves on a stem. It's as if nature itself is a mathematician, using the Fibonacci sequence to create beautiful and efficient patterns. Even the human body follows the Fibonacci sequence. The spiral pattern of a seashell is similar to the spiral pattern of the human ear. But why does this sequence appear so often in nature? It comes down to growth and division. Many natural processes involve the division of one object into two, creating a pattern that follows the Fibonacci sequence. For example, a plant might grow a new stem by splitting its existing one into two, following the Fibonacci sequence in the process. The Fibonacci sequence doesn't just appear in nature. It has also inspired artists and designers throughout history. From paintings to architecture to fashion, this mathematical pattern has been used to create beautiful and unique designs that mirror the natural world. In conclusion, the Fibonacci sequence is a testament to the beauty and complexity of nature. It bridges the gap between mathematics and the natural world, demonstrating how even the most fundamental mathematical patterns can be found in the world around us. As we continue to delve into nature's mysteries, the Fibonacci sequence will undoubtedly continue to captivate and inspire us. So the next time you see a seashell or a sunflower, remember the hidden mathematics that underpin their beauty. It's just one of the many ways that nature continues to amaze us.